Hello, my lovely friends. Welcome to another video. How is everybody doing? I hope you all are well and it's in good health and it's enjoying the spring weather. Youpidoo! I'm so excited. Well, I'm just kind of changing up the video today, because I just, I want to change thing up. I want to, give you guys good content to watch, not all the same boring things. Anyways, so today I'm going to do a tasting video. I'm so excited to taste these things because I've always wanted to taste them. So, okay, guys, if you want to see what I'm going to taste today, keep watching. So, guys, today we're going to be tasting some Chinese pastry. Yeah. So, my friend brought us some Chinese pastry, and I've never had Chinese pastry before. And the only thing, well, I mean, he knows us. We eat kosher foods. So just make sure that some of the things he knows us. So it's like, don't bring anything that has lard in it. Make sure it's just like butter. So yeah. Anyways. So the pastry today I am going to taste because I always say that I want to taste bean pastry because I see like online, people making like bean cakes. So anyways, I'll be tasting some of this today. So let's do it together. So here is a nice package. He always come back with some nice things and brings nice stuff for us. So anyways, that's the same friend I did the video with the last time I told you about when I did the poor man's video with the fish. But anyways, look at this. The packaging is so nice. So nice. So nice. Okay. So let me tell you what's in it. I'm going to read. So in this box, let me see what's in it. So there is bean pastry. There, red bean pastry. What else? What's lighting so bad in here? Red bean pastry. How much am I going to say red bean pastry? Anyways, yes. Red bean pastry alone, plus red bean pastry with beans, date pastry. What is that? Potato pastry, hawthorn berry pastry, and black sesame seed pastry. Wow. Let's open it together. I'm so excited, guys. Let's open it together. Okay. So here it is, and it's inside this container. And these are all the pastry in there. Look at this. Isn't that cute? It has a little flower on it. Let's put that one down. There's another one in there. Has that writing on it. And then this one has that little flower on it also. The others doesn't have any writing on them. Yeah. It's another one that has another writing on it. Okay. It's some kind of message that is written on it, but I don't remember. And even inside the container, there's like a message in there. Of course, I don't read Chinese, so I don't know. I should have asked my friend. But anyways, he didn't know that it was. I guess he didn't know there was messages inside it. Anyways, so let's taste them. Okay. Ooh. Let's smell it. Smells good. Let's taste. This is a red bean one. Yummy. I like. Approval. It's very sweet. The pastry itself is very flaky. And I don't know what's in it, but I like it. Okay. That's the red bean one. Very tasty. Let's try another one. So another one. This one is the date one. Oh my goodness. The date flavor is so strong. It's like, I don't know, whatever flavoring they flavor it with, it's so awesome. I'm about to eat that one. Mm. Very tasty. Very, very, very tasty. Mm. Okay. Let me finish chewing. Mm. This one is a date with the nuts in it. And mm, you could taste the crunchiness, like with the piece of nuts in it is very crunchy. So yummy. Okay, let's try another one. This one is kind of hard to break. Mm. Mm. This one is like, this one is a hawthorn one. It has berries inside of it. Mm. It has this kind of fruity flavor. You can taste that it's like a fruit. I never had like hawthorn pastry before, but it's great, good guys. Sorry. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. These pastries, mm. Listen, guys, don't come into my section, okay? This is a tasting video, okay? So I may be chewing and my cheeks may be popping with food, but it's so tasty. So let's do one more. Mm. Oh my goodness, these things are very tasty, very very tasty, yummy. Let me see which one that one is. This one is this one is the sesame one. Yeah, like you can see sesame seeds inside. Can you guys see? See, you can see the sesame seed inside. Mm. This one has like a, mm, you can taste the sesame seeds. They seem like they are roasted. So you can taste the sesame seeds. The flavor is very strong. And it seems like they use some kind of sesame oil in it to make that flavor. Mm. Mm. Very nice. Mm. But it has a strong aftertaste. So you have to get used to that one. It's not one of my favorite. It's why not my favorite. But it could pass. I can eat this with some plain tea without no sugar or something like that. So it's good. Thumbs up, thumbs up. So let me close the container. Yummy pastry. We're gonna eat the rest later. I just wanted to taste it. I just wanted to do that taste test for you guys because I'm just trying something new. I want to share it with you guys. But like the texture of the pastry itself, like the way they make it, it's so nice. And I love to taste food. I love to try new food once it's kosher. But I mean, when we travel, like we go and taste a lot of different things from different places, different culture, things that we people make and never heard of it before. But this pastry, never heard of it before. Never eaten bean pastry. Never eat date pastry, sesame pastry, and this is a high-end, expensive pastry in China. Can you imagine? So, guys, it's just that I make this video to taste the pastry because that's the first time I'm having it. And the next thing I taste video for is to show, like, to talk about friendship. Let me put the pastry down. So let's talk about friendship. Our friend is a very nice person. He travels a lot and he always bring back, he brings back something for you because he wants you to feel special and he wants you to have an experience. And I think having friends and people who are genuine, people who care about you, is so important in this life. And you may be from a different culture, your skin color may not look the same or whatever, but sometimes it really doesn't matter. Sometimes other people treat you bad, but this one individual who treats you good, even if they're not the same culture like you or same skin color like you, because we know about all this racism that is happening in the world. If this one person treats you good, do not judge them based on everybody else in their culture or their color who treats you bad. Yes, the other people may be racist to you, may put you in, maybe their ancestors put you in slavery, whatever. But this one person, if he treats you good, treat that person good also. If the person treats you bad, well, he's just like the other people, and you have to treat him accordingly, right? So that's just my advice. So it's just nice to have some good friends. It's so nice to have people who care about you. It's so nice to have people who think about you and say, "Oh, I travel and I went to this fancy place and I said, oh, I was thinking about you. I know you like nice pastry. I'm going to bring it back so you can taste them." You know what I mean? So yeah, that was like very touching, and I just wanted to share that with you. And I just want to say to you guys out there, if you have a friend and the friend is good to you, and oh, this pastry is making. If you have a friend and the friend is good to you, treating you very good, you have been friends for a couple of years, and you guys get along so very well. Sometimes go the extra mile and treat that person, give the person a treat. Maybe you can buy them some flowers. Maybe you can bring them something special that they like. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's good to just go the extra mile to show somebody that you really deeply appreciate them, because friends are so hard to find. Genuine people are so hard to find. These days, people are so superficial. People make friends with you because they just they're your friend because friend with benefits. They don't have a car, you have a car, they're gonna be your friend because they're gonna get rides from you. Or you may have a little bit of money and they know you're going to lend them some money when they're in need. That's why they're your friend. They're very superficial. You know what I'm saying? And when you find a genuine person who's always there for you, that friend, if my husband call him or I call him, he will come. If I need something, he will do it for us once it's in his ability. You know what I mean? So it's really important to have good friends who are there for you. And it's important when you find a good friend to treat them well, because the scripture says a brother who is near, or a neighbor who is near, or a person who is near is better than your brother who is far away, right? So you have your brother, he live in the next city. If something happened to you, your brother is going to take time to get here, but the neighbor who is right here, or your friend who is right next to you, is going to come quicker, and they can assist you and help you before your brother or whoever gets here. So even the scripture is warning you and telling you how important it is to have a friend or a neighbor that is close and you are good friends. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video and this little chat after. More videos are coming, so stay tuned. Lots of videos are coming. Lots of projects. We're doing lots of things on this farm. So y'all, remember, you're beautiful. And thank you for subscribing. I'm so happy that you guys come back and watch my video all the time. Thank you so much. May you be blessed. Remember, you're beautiful. Think beautiful thoughts in your brain. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.